What are the consequences of killing a police officer? Vong Min Dak, enraged, fired 11 shots by hundreds of police officers. The case shocked the entire United States. February 4th, Officer Darian Garrett, New Mexico. As usual, for example, on Interstate 10 on patrol, he spotted a white Chevrolet pickup truck. The silver window was too dark. He immediately reported the situation and 27 Edward Paul, white Chevy pickup truck. Warning: the system could not verify the status of the temporary Unexpectedly, the Chevrolet stopped immediately. Was very cooperative. Darian didn't hesitate. He immediately got out to check. Darian was on duty alone. No one's life was about to start counting down from that. I have a new serve. My name is Aaron. I'm with New Mexico State. The reason for the stop is your windows. Do you mind if I open the window? Yes. Do you mind if I open the window? Or if you want to roll it down a little further. At this time, the driver did not roll down the window. Yes, I know you have temporary tags. You registered the vehicle. I also need to see your driver's license. After receiving the Darian was ready to identify. I want the driver to get out of the vehicle. Come with me to my car. I want to run your name through the system, and then that way I can get the information. At this time, the driver was on the phone. He seemed unwilling to get out. Ash met him. The tension was building. But to avoid escalation, just ask for his name first. What is your name, Markeva? After asking for Markeva, we learned this 39-year-old man was a national security target, a violent criminal involved in drug trafficking. After hitting Ryan, Kiva realized he could not escape, so I could talk a little. While I am checking documents, you will show me your documents immediately if you have them. I have the documents. I must know if you have the information. Hurry up. Do you have a gun? Yes. Do you mind if I remove it for my safety? All right, wait. Hold on. Okay, let's go to my car. Pay attention to a 2 at unaware this point. That Kwai was still holding the next second. Kiwa was truly ruthless. He fired 15 rounds from an assault rifle. After confirming Arthur was down, he decided to flee. A few minutes later, nearby Homeland Security agents heard the gunshots. They arrived at the scene. They quickly notified the police station dispatcher. Facing such provocation, the police immediately began to respond. The chase began. Nearby officers quickly headed to gathering to capture Kiva. Special forces at the entrance were ready to intercept. At this time, Kiva was driving very easily fast, breaking through the police blockade. But fortunately, MVP Officer Adrish successfully intercepted. We don't need it this year. Please just find out. Welcome to Javanese Messia. Officer Adrian, ready to close in, performed the American interception of Kiva at 120 kilometers per hour. Next, let's look at Adrian's first person. Immediately after he successfully intercepted, he drew his gun and fired at him. The suspect also reacted. A return shot hit Adrian's arm. At this moment, his body was running on pure adrenaline. He directly took down the suspect and ended the fight. Let's look at the other officers' stories. Haha. Haha. It is known that Cueva was rushing to make a deal. NSA agents were secretly watching. Unexpectedly, this led to Darian's death. Police searched home Cueva found 15 pounds of meth worth about $250,000, an AR-15 semi-automatic this time, rifle. MVP was shot in the arm. After 2 years of hospital treatment for this, he recovered successfully. He received a Medal of Bravery.